Alright, we made it out to the green SDR, and you'll see there is a lot of buildup on this drain. So it holds a little water right here, then it comes out of the water. So we got a little backfall on that fitting for sure. From what I see running this camera in here, I see a lot of buildup. It's hard for me to tell if that's a break or just rough pipe. I don't see roots. You see the gap there in the fittings in the pipe. I don't think those are breaks. Here in a second, you're going to see quite a bit of buildup. About to make a turn here, and right there is where I saw roots at 8 feet. You can see the roots pretty clearly right there. We're going to mark that spot out. But like you see that build up there, so I'm going to see if I can find the kitchen drain. We're going to run the camera from this other cleanout going back up under the house as well.